Hello artists and welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes. Sometimes I like to make paper chains out of folded paper strips like this. Making these gives me practice with paper building skills and allows me to explore shape and repetition creatively. Before I begin art making, I mindfully take time to get ready. And before anything else, I get my mind ready with a few deep breaths in and long breaths out. Next, I get my work area ready by removing any scraps, shreds, spills, or smudges. Then I wash my hands with soap and water so that they are clean and ready. Then I set my art materials in front of me. I make sure that I am standing or sitting in a way that is comfy, and I gently stretch my hands to warm them up. Now I am ready for art making. I take a sheet of construction paper and cut it in half to make two narrow strips of paper like this. I'll take one of these strips and fold them in half twice. Then I accordion fold the paper like this. Next, I use my scissors to cut the folded paper into a new shape. I can make people, I can make leaves, I can make hearts, and I can make stars or other shapes. As long as I do not cut all of the two creased edges, I will be able to reopen the folds and reveal a paper chain with repeating shapes. If I do cut all of the two creased edges, my design will fall apart. Hey, but that's all good. Now I have some exciting scrap paper. Before I leave my studio space, I make sure to leave it better than I found it by sweeping up any scraps or shreds, wiping up any spills or smudges, and returning all my materials and tools to their homes. Oh, and of course, I take time to thoroughly wash my hands with soap and water, leaving them clean and ready for whatever comes next. I like to make paper chains out of folded paper strips like this. Making these gives me practice with paper building skills and allows me to explore shape and repetition creatively. I hope that this video encourages you to make art in your own style. Remember that yours will be different from mine and everyone else's. Differences are something to celebrate, not something to shame. So happy folding and cutting, artists. Enjoy.